are pleased to show you the 2019 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, running boards, cargo bed light, LED, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, double wishbones, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting. Come see the car for yourself.